Introducing this 2019 Honda Odyssey conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility automatic in-floor ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and around 54,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your ramp will stow or deploy. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2019 Honda Odyssey conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.